So I'm going to leave the room now after making sure I've got my key with me. Switch off the lights, make sure I've got my key with me so I can get back in, and also making sure the door is closed, because I have seen people left the door wide open. In this room the door was wide open and I could see their suitcases and things. I mentioned before there's aircon. It's set to 16 at the moment, which means it's quite cool here, and a nice security camera. That's always useful. Here's another cleaning person. Hello, apa kabar? I'm going for a swim, thank you.
Because I say you take the pool towel.
Yes, I have my pool towels with me. I'll take you on video. Thank you, miss. Yeah, see you later. Thank you. Yeah, lovely and friendly people, as there are in most of Bali. So I'm going to be going down to the other pool, not this one. See you down there.